We are here at the famed Barber Motorsports Park and Museum in Birmingham, Alabama. We brought together our national staff and our Honda Powerhouse dealers to give them their first look and rides on the new CB and CBR650s featuring the all-new e-clutch technology.
So really, the cool part about this whole event is sometimes we forget why we're in this business, the motorcycle business, the power sports business. It's really getting everyone together, the district sales managers, the dealers, our event staff, and coming out here and enjoying what we love to do, which is ride motorcycles. Even though there's new technology here, there's always a excitement that just comes with having everyone together, joining everyone together here in this beautiful location, Barber Motorsports Park. It's one of the top-notch facilities anywhere in the United States, matter of fact, anywhere in the world. But just getting everyone together to ride motorcycles and have fun, make up stories, talk stories, whatever it takes, it's a blast.
We provided a stationary demonstration of the bike to really zero in on the technology, shifting the bike up and down through all the gears with and without using the clutch, to see and feel just exactly how it works. Time to get out on the road and ride these bikes.
Very smooth through the turns, baby.
Check out some of these first impressions fresh back from their rides.
What is your reaction now after you've come back?
Phenomenal, phenomenal. I mean, one thing we forgot to talk about, that we didn't talk about, is an old guy like me, I had stopped riding sport bikes. I couldn't pull that clutch in for an hour or 2 hours. I was riding DCT Goldwings exclusively, but now I have a new life. I can go back to sport bikes. I can do it because there's no clutch involved, and that thing is so precise, downshift, upshift. I'm way faster than I used to be, way faster, and I'm so excited that I can again, at 72 years old, ride sport bikes again. I'm back, baby.
What this kind of offers is more than anything I've ever seen before. You have everything that you want out of a manual transmission. All of the ego that you'd want, all of the shifting, all of the times that you want to prove to yourself that you know what you're doing, it's there. But at the same time, what you're seeing is all of the assist you could ever want.
Shifting, it was so seamless. No maneuvering back and forth on the bike, just right into the next gear like a super speed shifter. It was pretty cool. That's a game changer right there, especially for riding hard and accelerating, and it just went right into the next gear. Super cool. Like only Honda, baby, only Honda.
It's kind of like shifting like an ATV, baby, but instead of the hammer dropping down so hard and you're feeling the clunk, you don't. It just happens, it's seamless, and it's also a lot less strength requirement, or a lot less throw required. It is amazing.
First thing I noticed was how butter smooth it was. Being a long-time rider, I'm used to the clutch, right? So you guys prepped us, don't grab the clutch, don't grab the clutch. What do? I grab the clutch. So, initial takeoff, grabbed it, wanted to take off. It re-engages super quickly with that e-clutch. Saw that light pop on, knew I was good. I kind of was waiting for a hesitation, and it never happened. It was very, very smooth. Throttle response was really good.
It's a game changer. It really is, and I know a lot of people have been saying that about this technology, but it really is. It's something for that new entry-level customer. The biggest thing they're intimidated about getting into motorcycling is the clutch. They're afraid of, I don't know if I'm going to stall it or shift it. There's just that anxiety that they have with it. That's gone. That's gone. They can operate this thing without ever using a clutch, and they can learn to get the shifting and the muscle memory. And at the same time, you got people who are experienced. They're going to find value in this too. It's going to bring a lot of new riders in now into the industry.
I just think that I like to be in control of what gear I'm in. But you know, with a normal clutch, you get the head shake, you get the head butt if you ride in 2 up. Not worry about the clutch and just hammer it down and have fun on where you're pointing it to go. I was very impressed. It is smoother than I could have ever imagined. I'm a DCT guy, so I'm like, how are you gonna get better than that? And you did.
Make sure you get to your local dealer, ride a new Honda e-clutch today. You'll love it.